Alright guys, today we have an easy high protein vegan meal. We're going to use super firm high protein tofu. We're going to remove them from the packaging and drain them and dry them off. We're going to be using 2 packages of high protein tofu, which is going to feed a family of 3. Okay, so after the tofu is dried off, we're going to cut that tofu into cube-sized pieces and then we're going to place them into a mixing bowl. Once we have all our tofu into a mixing bowl, we are going to season it. We're going to use coconut aminos, we're going to use salt and pepper, and some garlic powder. When mixing, make sure all the liquid is absorbed into the tofu. Place the tofu on a baking sheet and put it in an oven set for 30 minutes at 450 degrees. And then we're going to include some leftover potato medley that we have from a previous meal. We're going to use 1 can of black beans, we're going to drain them, and then we're going to rinse them off. And now it's time to get the salad started. We are going to take spinach and add that to a bowl. We're going to get green cabbage freshly cut up, and we're going to get purple cabbage freshly cut up and add that to the bowl as well. Okay guys, halfway through baking the tofu, make sure to remove it, stir it thoroughly, and place it back into the oven for the remaining 15 more minutes. Next, we're going to add our apple cider vinegar dressing to the salad, and we're going to give it a good tossing. Once you're done tossing your salad, go ahead and add the black beans, the potato medley, take out the tofu out the oven, place your tofu into the salad, cut up some green onions, and drizzle on top, baby.